Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the data dictionary and database administrator. The data dictionary consists of the database metadata. For example, consider that the English dictionary. In that English dictionary there are the number of words and number of meanings, synonyms, antonyms are present in the dictionary. So the data dictionary contains the information related to the data in the database, in the big database. So the data dictionary consists of the database metadata. It has records about the objects in the database. What data dictionary consists of? The data dictionary consists of the following information: the name of the table in the database, the constraint of the table. Constraint is nothing but the rule, that is keys and relationship, etc. The columns of the table that are related to each other, the owner of the table, last access information of the object, and last update information of the object. This whole information is stored in the data dictionary. For example, suppose there is a data dictionary that can contain the personal detail of the student. So student person detail data dictionary contains student ID, student name, student address, and student city. These are the field. So it is under the field name. Now here is the data type of each field and field length of the each field, and then constraint will be there and description of that particular field. So this information is stored into the data dictionary. Now the second point is the what does the database administration. The database administration refer to the whole set of activities performed by the database administrator. The database administrator is the most important in the database management system to ensure that the database is always available as needed. The database administrator is closely related to task and role of the database security, database monitoring, and troubleshooting and planning for the future growth. So the database administration is an important function in any organization that is dependent on one or more databases. The primary role of the database administrator is to ensure maximum uptime for the database so that it is always available when needed. A database administrator, that is DBA, database administrator, is typically also responsible for other secondary. So it is important because of the database security. Ensures that only authorized user can access the database. So it is very important. Then database tuning, then tweaking any several parameter to optimize the performance, such as the server memory allocation, file fragmentation, disk usage. These are all the tasks of the database administrator. Then backup and recovery. It is the database administrator role to ensure that the database has adequate backup and recovery procedure in place to recover for any accidental or deliberate loss of the data. If there is a corrupt of the database, so database administrator recover that database with the help of the backup and recovery. Then producing the report from the queries. This is again the role of the database administrator. The database administrator are frequently called upon to generate the reports by writing the queries, and which are then run against the database. So these are the role of the database administrator and what is the database administration. Today's lecture here it is enough. Now next point are covered into the next lecture. Thank you friend.